Hey guys, Eric from Savvy Campers. Today we are going to unbox and install this Bauer Bluetooth lock kit. I've been really excited for this one. I think we've got the RV lock on right now, but I think this one might be pretty cool with the availability to unlock and lock from your cell phone. So stay tuned and we'll get to doing it. Let's go ahead and open this box. The box actually is I guess it's a little chintzy. We did buy this with our own money, and it came from Amazon, so it could be the fulfillment process. But I'm a little, for a couple $100 product, a little disappointed with that. So here it is. Here's the directions. So it looks like here's the links for the Bluetooth. And then here's the model, or here's the module. So we've got a zip lock here. Let's see. Let's point this up a hair. With our keys behind the latch. There we go. Come on. Wouldn't these be cool if these were keyed to my actual trailer? Nope, not the right keys. These buttons are not buttons. I think they're just touch pads. And then it's good high quality metal. So here's the latching mechanism. We pull that to open. And then we do have our locking mechanism there. So overall, it's got a nice seal on the exterior. So okay, I'll give that's a good product comparing it to the others. And it does come with the new latch hardware, which we probably won't need this. So here's the inside. Gosh, look at that. I'm a bit, that is just broken. That is not, I think I paid $238 for this. That's not nice packaging. Now the packaging doesn't matter that much if it works well. So here's the inside. So I like this. That's a nice quality deadbolt lock. And then that's all metal. So this is all metal. The stock one that came with our travel trailer was, this latching system was plastic. And sometimes when you wrench on it, I'm almost afraid of breaking it. So, so I think this looks pretty good. And then it looks like it does come with batteries. So it looks like we just pull the tab to activate. So that's nice. So let's go ahead and go out to the trailer and install this and see how we like it. So I did want to open up the batteries real quick before we go out there. I just want to see what kind of batteries they put in. You can actually tell a little bit about products by the type of batteries they give you. So let's see if these are any good. Oh, wow. So it comes with Energizer lithiums. Those are good quality batteries. I'm surprised. Those aren't cheap. If I were to go buy these, that's probably $10 worth, maybe. Maybe they used to be like 16 bucks for a 4-pack. So that's a good sign. I will say the quality of this is pretty dang good. It's all metal, and it looks like there's even a a nice ball bearing down there, which is a bit surprising. I think that's a little overkill, but that's good to see. All right, now let's get to the trailer. We've got our old lock taken off. So now we're going to go ahead and install the new one. So what we can do first is we can take this mechanism and we'll insert that in there. See how that looks. Looks pretty good. And then now we'll get this front plate on. So we'll go ahead and open the hardware. Okay, so now what we're going to do is put this new plate on. And then we're just going to thread the screws through.
First one's in, now we get the second one.
Pretty shaky for you. Alright, so that's in. We're halfway done. So next off, we're going to go ahead and put the interior plate on, but first we're going to connect the batteries. So we'll connect this, and that just plugs in right there. This view might be a little tough for you guys to see, but I promise it's simple. So then next, you're going to kind of tuck the wire around and then hook up the deadbolt. Make sure that's lined up. And it is. And then we'll go ahead, line up these bolts and tighten all of them up. But first off, we want to make sure that the latch is in front so that it does actually open. So these are fairly easy to install, probably 10 minutes, if that. Probably spend more time thinking and programming your code. Okay, so we've got that all installed, so let's close the latch, see how it works. And that opens and closes very solidly. As you can see, so the seal around this is about from here over around like that. So this actually doesn't touch, this part doesn't actually touch and seal to your RV. So let's go ahead and take the battery tab out. Activate it. So we should be active. There's a green light there. Now let's get on our phone and program. So you do have to download an app. And the app is called Smart Lock by Bauer Products. So let's go ahead and add. I can do a screenshot, but add. And we found it. Select it. Okay, so now we're going to pair this to our Bluetooth. So we're going to type in our code. 3715 unlock, and then we're going to press the 1, 2, 7, and 8, and that should enter pairing mode. Okay, so we did that, and then now we can click pair on our app. So it looks like we see our range, and then we see a status locked and unlocked. So it means it's unlocked, or it's locked. Now we're saying it's locked. So we can actually go and see what time and day we locked it, and we see our battery. So that's pretty cool to see all that information. Let's see what settings we have. We have power mode, normal, low power, and storage. Proximity mode is disabled, so you can actually make it either near or far so that other people can't come and activate it close to you. So that's pretty cool. I like that. I like that Bluetooth option, I think. And it's quick. I can hear, watch. That's snappy. That's a good connection. I will say, I think I like the Bluetooth option better than having the fob on the RV lock, just because usually we have our phones with us, and having the fob is just an extra thing when we're out hiking. So let's go ahead and let's go inside and see how this door latches. Let's get some lights on in here. Okay, so this is it. So that's very smooth. I like that. It's just, like I said, I think it's on that ball bearing, and that's quick. That's a nice door handle. I like this. Bauer, you guys did a good job. We're gonna test this out this summer and see if we like it a lot more. But here's the RV lock that we took off, and we love the RV lock. But I like this Bauer one. So here's the outside again. The only downside to this one is you can only do a 4-digit code. So on the RV lock, you could do a 6-digit code, which obviously 6 digits is a lot more secure than a 4-digit. But the chances of someone really guessing your 4-digit code, I don't know. But when you hit the 1 and 2 button, that can either mean 1 or 2. So it really narrows down that those combinations. So I don't know, could be an issue, maybe not. When you're in storage, you always can lock your top anyways, and they can't get in. I think this is a good product. We're gonna go ahead, and we bought 4 different models, and we're gonna review all of them and test them out over the summer to see which one we like best. So if you do want to stay tuned to that, make sure you subscribe, because we do have a lot of good content that hopefully you guys would like. So if this is meaningful to you guys, hit the thumbs up button. This stuff costs a lot of money. So to do this and purchase all of these locks out of our own pocket, it costs a lot, but we want to provide you with the best quality content. So let us know what other questions you have. Let us know what you want to know about these door locks, because we're going to spend some time on these and find the best product for you. But I can tell you, if you want a Bluetooth connection, this is the one for you. The other models that we have, they don't have Bluetooth. I will say RV Lock, they just announced an additional module you can buy for your RV Lock to add Bluetooth, but it's not out yet. So it's not something we can test. It's not something we have. It's not something anyone can test but RV Lock, because they're designing it. But they said it would be out soon, according to their email blast. So hopefully we can get our hands on that. And it did say that you can add it onto any existing RV Lock product. So, and well, I guess maybe I take that back. The current version, but it could have been anyone. I don't know. But I like the app. That's pretty cool. And I like having the keyless entry. And when I say keyless, I mean the code. But this is a cool app to show the range and show everything. And for them, Bauer, to include the lithium batteries, that's pretty dang good. I like this product. So, man, it's hot in here. I need to crank the AC. But hopefully you guys stay tuned. And you can actually have 6 users connected to this at the same time. So that's pretty cool. I really like this. I like having that snappy lock unlock, and so me and my wife can have it, and we can actually see, hey, we locked the trailer at that time. So that's really cool that it includes that data log point. I like that. So anyways, hit the thumbs up if this is helpful. Hopefully this can help others in the process for finding a lock for their RV that helps them get in and out without having to take their whole key ring. All right, guys, once again, thanks for watching. Leave any questions down below, and we'll see you on the next video.